Hi everyone, today I'm launching 3 brand new shades of my Seamless Glide eye pencils. These pencils have become such a favourite. They're award-winning and I know that you've been requesting new shades for a while now. So here's 3 new ones. I'm going to start with the first shade, which is called Betina. This is named after my cat, Betty. This is what we call her when she wishes to be addressed more formally. And it's a really beautiful silvery cool grey lavender with silver pearls without being too purpley, so it's got a real mixture to it. I'll show you how subtly beautiful it is. So these pencils, I think people love them so much because they're just so soft to use on the eyes. They never drag. It's a gel formula and they just give really good payoff immediately. You can see how nice they are to use. Really beautiful gliding pencils. They're called Seamless Glide for a reason. They really do glide on. Let's do my other eye. And then they give you a bit of playtime if you want to do more of a soft look with it, or if you want to use it to create a full eye look, which I do a lot with the deeper shades. Sometimes I put the black on and I just smudge it out and do a beautiful smoky eye. With this shade today, with Betina, I'm just going to do a simple line just to show you how gorgeous this shade is. They're slightly wing out of the outer edge. They're very easy to use, even if you want to do like a wing liner. Just look straight ahead because they're quite forgiving, if you know what I mean. As in, they can create a great shape without looking too severe. So that is the shade Betina. Next shade is Enigmatic Olive, and this is a deep burnished golden olive. So it has gold pearls in it. And this definitely gives more depth than Betina. This one is definitely more golden pearls. I'm going to do more of a smudge look with this one, just to show you how easy these are to blend out if you want to do more of an eye look. So you get a good bit of playtime with them. So I actually really like kind of using them to create more of a eye look. But once they set, they don't budge. They have 16-hour tested long wear. And you can go along your waterline as well. And the formula actually contains chamomile flowers. So they're really soothing. Because sometimes I find with some pencils, not only are they scratchy, they kind of irritate your eyes. But I also get a little bit of a sore eye if I wear a lot of pencil. Whereas these ones, they really feel, they're just very gentle on the eyes. So good if you have more of a sensitive eye as well. So you can see I'm just building up the colour with this one. Quite a soft smoke. This is my brush number 8. So easy. So I'm just going to do the other eye. Look how easy this is. You just don't need to be an expert. That's what I love about these pencils. They're just so easy to blend. That's like an eye look there. How long was that? Less than a minute. Okay. That's how quick it is. Just going to do my lower lash line. Very my waterline. I'm not someone that can do that easily because I always find pencils are so scratchy. This one just glides through, which honestly makes all the difference. Tiny bit of a blend underneath. That's it. The 1 minute smoky eye. This is such a chic colour. I love it. That is Enigmatic Olive. Next shade is called Lilac Time, and this is a clean, fresh, matte lilac. It's a really nice poppy, pastel-y shade. It gets its name from the piano piece Lilac Time, because my grandmother used to play it to me all the time. It's from a Schubert operetta, and it's quite a funny, jolly song that she used to play and we used to sing along. So whenever I think of lilac, I think of the song Lilac Time. So I'm going to show you. This one is really kind of scary when you first see it, but actually it just suits everyone and it looks really beautiful and fresh. That's it, just along the lash line. And you can see just how nice that looks. It also looks, I'm going to show you actually on this eye only, how nice it looks just in the waterline. There's a pop of lilac as well. This is a colour that I've used a lot in my editorial career. Very often I've done editorial looks over the years. I've used like quite a poppy lilac shade just on the waterline, and I always love how brightening it is to the eye. So that's it just on the waterline, and that's on the upper lid. I'll bring it into the waterline here and then do the other lid as well. Yeah, it's definitely more one that looks a little bit more challenging in the pencil, sorry, but once you get it on your eyelid, it just looks so nice. And it's a really nice way of doing a colourful eye without committing to all over the eye. Then I'll do a little, tiny little bit of a wing there, just looking straight ahead. And just blend that edge. Also looks really nice just on the inner corner as well. If you've done like a complete look, maybe with brown eyeshadow or more of your regular eye look, if you just do the waterline and a pop in the inner corner, that's also a look that I really, really like. So that's 3 ways to wear your Lilac Time pencil, or do as I've done and do all 3 at once. Here are the original shades: Black Treacle, Renaissance Gold, Burnt Umber, Night Forest, Ground Coffee and Cinder Smoke. And I've added the new shades into the lineup. So you can see here I've added Betina, Lilac Time and Enigmatic Olive. And I'm introducing a gorgeous new brand colour for the boxes. I mixed this colour myself and I'm calling it the Lisa Eldridge Black. But as you can probably see, it's anything but black. It's full of rich nuances, browns, purples, reds and blues. It's one of those colours you can't quite describe. So that's the 3 brand new shades of Seamless Glide Eye Pencil. These really are a dream to use. They are so comfortable. They last so well. They're really a game changer. Let me know which is your favourite in the comments.